Good morning, kiddos. I wanted to quick go over the schedule with you so that you really knew exactly what was expected of you so that we can continue shifting our mindset to learning from home. You'll see that our 10 o'clock number corner lesson is still the same. That consistency is really key right now. And then today you have a math lesson at home. You need to watch the asynchronous lesson right here and follow along with Mrs. Lee once we are done with our number corner lesson. Don't try to do this beforehand, try to do it after, and you'll need your chunky workbook. And as you watch the video, Mrs. Lee will tell you what pages you need to be on and make sure you bring something to write with. Then when you're done, you're going to work on a workbook page that we talked about yesterday. Yes, it's in your workbook from yesterday, but I really want you to practice today downloading it and then uploading it into Notability. So when you click here, it's going to send you, I believe, to your Google Drive. You can either hit the 3 stoplights, make a copy, or send to, or you might see the square with an arrow. It all depends on which browser you open it into. But either way, you want to send a copy, make a copy to Notability, fill it in, and then when you're in Notability, you'll also be able to send it, and I want you today to email it to Mrs. Lee because that's what we're familiar with. When I see you again on Thursday, I will show some of you how you can submit it back to Schoology as to where we would upload some of our assignments that we're going to be filling out at home. Then today, cozy up because you do have a little bit of listening or reading to do when it comes to our Text the Thing About Georgie. We're really going to power through so that hopefully we can finish this before we're completely at home. And then once you've read and listened, you will have a video response. And eventually this will be blue. I'm currently working on it right now. So when you see this, that will be blue, and then you can click on that. So you have quite a busy morning, but hopefully these instructions help guide your thinking a little bit. And we will see you at 10 o'clock for our whole group lesson. Bye.